Do you want to become an insolvency professional, or do you want to understand what is the role of insolvency professional in insolvency and bankruptcy code? Stay tuned till end. Before even proceeding to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon to receive our latest notifications. The whole gamut of insolvency and bankruptcy code is comprising of both individual insolvencies as well as corporate insolvencies. When it comes to individual insolvencies, the adjudicating authority is Debt Recovery Tribunal. When it comes to corporate insolvencies, the adjudicating authority is National Company Law Tribunal. When it comes to corporate insolvencies, there are three important things which we need to look into. One is corporate insolvency resolution process, the second one is liquidation process, and the third one is voluntary liquidation. When it comes to individual insolvencies, please note that I can initiate the proceedings relating to the resolution process, that means insolvency resolution process, it is called as IRP. And then basically with respect to the provisions relating to considering a person as a bankruptcy. Generally it is called insolvency resolution process, and there is a fast track process too, which is available for individual as well as for the firms. Now, in addition to that, there is compulsory liquidation provisions which is there in the Companies Act 2013 also. Insolvency professional plays a significant role in each and every activity which is being prescribed in insolvency and bankruptcy code. When it comes to the activity of corporate insolvency resolution process, the resolution professional is one of the important person who will play the key role, This, to become a resolution professional, firstly he should be an insolvency professional. Coming to liquidation process, to act as a liquidator, he should become an insolvency professional. As well as in case of voluntary liquidation, to act as a liquidator, firstly he should be an insolvency professional. And even in case of individual insolvencies also, to appear before the Debt Recovery Tribunal, unless he has the qualification to become an insolvency professional, he will not be allowed to represent himself before the adjudicating authorities. Now let us try to understand what are the steps involved in becoming an insolvency professional. Please note, there is one important pillar in IBC, it is called Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, there is Insolvency Professionals Agency. We have Institute of Company Secretaries of India, that is ICSI, Institute of Insolvency Professionals. They are registered as Insolvency Professional Agency and they are a Section 8 company. Basically, their role is to register the members, not only Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Chartered Accountants as well as the Cost and Works Accountants, and now they call themselves Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Even those organizations have their own institute relating to the Insolvency Professionals Agency. Now, coming to one of the important thing, the first important preliminary step is the eligibility criteria. Who are eligible to become the insolvency professionals? Please note, a chartered accountant, a company secretary, a cost accountant, as well as an advocate who has 10 years or more of experience is eligible to take up the limited insolvency examination which is being conducted by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Before writing the examination, first I need to enroll with any of the insolvency professional agency, undergo the mandatory training requirements, and then write the examination which is being prescribed by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Once I pass the examination, then I will be eligible to get myself registered with the Insolvency Professional Agency as well as Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India as insolvency professional. Please note, is it open only for the professionals like CAs, CS, CWA and cost accountants and advocates? Not necessarily. Even for all other graduates who has 15 years or more experience in the respective field, they can also take up the limited insolvency examination, enroll with any of the insolvency professional agencies, pass the examination and enroll themselves as insolvency professionals. There is a huge scope for insolvency professionals under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016. If you have any questions, please comment. If you want to learn more about this subject, corporate restructuring and insolvency, please fill the Google form which is being given in the description box below. You can even join our Telegram channel and you can visit our Ekcel Academy website for the latest notifications. If you liked this video, do not forget to tap the like button and share it to your friends. Do let us know if you need anything else. We will be very happy to get back to you.